Ever stared at your mud-splattered e-bike after an epic ride, dreading the cleanup? Well, this kit promises to turn that chore into a breeze, specifically for your supercharged machine. It's a common dilemma for any e-bike enthusiast. How do you keep that powerful, often expensive, ride looking pristine and performing at its peak without spending hours scrubbing? Enter the Muc Off e-bike Essentials Kit. This isn't just another generic cleaning set. It's tailored for electric bikes, packing everything needed to tackle the unique grime and demands of an e-bike. One immediately notices the thoughtful selection of products, designed to make maintenance not just easy, but genuinely effective. At its heart is the infamous pink nanotech bike cleaner. This liquid form cleaner, with its fresh scent, truly lives up to its reputation, effortlessly cutting through dirt and grime without harming your bike's delicate finishes. It's quite satisfying to watch the muck just melt away. Then there's the bio-degreaser, a crucial component for any e-bike drivetrain. Keeping those gears and chains free of gunk is paramount for efficiency and extending the life of your components. And this biodegradable formula does an impressive job without harsh chemicals. After the wash, the Bike Protect comes into play. This isn't just about making your e-bike look good. It leaves a protective layer that helps repel water and prevent dirt adhesion, giving that post-wash protective bling that every rider appreciates. But perhaps the star of the show for e-bike owners is the eBike Dry Lube. This isn't just any chain lube. It's formulated specifically for the higher torque and demands of electric bikes, ensuring long-distance performance and those silky smooth gear changes everyone craves. It really makes a difference in how the bike feels on the trail. Beyond the liquids, the kit also includes a couple of handy cleaning tools. These aren't just throw-ins, they're genuinely useful for getting into those tricky spots and tackling the post-ride grime fest. It's a complete package. The material feature of being biodegradable across many of its components is also a huge plus, showing a commitment to environmental responsibility. It's clear that a clean bike is a fast bike, and by regularly using this kit, one can significantly reduce the likelihood of mechanical problems, keeping that e-bike running smoothly. A small but important note for users: remember to use warm water and allow hot parts to cool before using the brushes to maintain their performance. Ultimately, whether one is a weekend warrior or a dedicated shredder, this kit makes bike maintenance a breeze. It's also positioned as the ultimate gift for any cycling fanatic, and it's easy to see why. The Muc Off e-bike Essentials Kit truly delivers on its promise, offering a comprehensive, effective, and enjoyable way to keep any electric bike in top condition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.